Oh no, another rainy day without any rainy day funds? Unexpected things that are costing you money keep happening? Don't you ever wish that you had money saved to the side for whatever reason you may need it for? In some cases, a rainy day, but in most cases, much more important reasons. So, why should you save money, do you ask? Well, for starters, it can help you protect your bank account in the event of a financial emergency, as well as reducing your financial stress and giving a better sense of financial security. Luckily, I learned the importance of saving money at a young age. I got my first job when I was 15 years old, saved my money for 3 years, and was able to buy myself my first car with no cosigner when I turned 18 years old. Even as a grade schooler, I saved all my money in a little piggy bank and didn't spend it until it was completely full. By the end of this presentation, you will understand the importance of saving money and how to be a pro at it. So today, we are going to first explain the importance of money saving, then, second, discuss how to save money, before third, discussing how to separate your wants from your needs in order to save money. First, let's talk about why saving is important and how it benefits you. Saving money isn't an easy thing to do. It takes discipline and a certain amount of sacrifice, but it is crucial in order to live a stress-free life. So, why is saving money important? According to Discover Bank, the importance of saving money is simple: to enjoy the greater security in life. When you have money set aside for emergencies, you will have something to fall back on if anything unexpected were to come up, such as a tire going flat and having to buy a new one. It is important to save money for more than just emergencies, but for the future as well. As of now, 2021, Social Security benefits in the future are unavailable, meaning saving for retirement sooner is crucial. According to Northwestern Mutual Life Insurance Company, 1 in 5 Americans, or 21%, have no retirement savings at all. But the good news is it's never too late to start, and you can start today after this presentation. Now that we've talked about why saving money is important, we're going to talk about how to save money. So, how do you save money? Rachel Catterall reports in her article, Rainy Day Fund versus Emergency Fund, Do You Need Both? That step one on how to save money is to decide how much you want to save. When deciding how much to save, think long term. Then divide the full amount by how much you want to set aside each month. Meaning, if you make $2,000 and can afford to set aside $75 each month, it will take you about 27 months to reach your goal. You can also save money by making other small cuts to your budget or even collect spare change to help fund your savings. It is also important to make saving your priority. According to PurePoint Financial, setting a fixed amount from every paycheck that gets set aside for savings is the easiest way to save money. So, about how much did you save every month? Saving about 10% of each paycheck is a great way to save money over time. Now that we've discussed the importance of saving money and how to do it, let's discuss separating your wants from your needs. We as people often confuse our wants and our needs. Confusing wants with needs can cause you a lot of financial stress. Therefore, it is important to know the difference and keep them separate in order to practice saving money. So, what's the difference? According to Michelle Gardner, author of You Don't Need Everything, Do You Know the Difference Between Wants and Needs? Needs are things that are necessary for our survival, such as water for drinking, food to eat, clothing to keep you warm, and shelter to live in, while wants, on the other hand, are there to make life a little more enjoyable. Needs are often made up of the biggest portion of your budget, especially if you are following the 50-30-20 rule. According to Paula Pant, the 50-30-20 rule allows for you to spend 30% spend 30% of your take-home pay on things you want while saving 50% for needs and 20% goes towards savings. This is a great way to separate your wants from your needs and save money, as well as organizing how much money goes where. Today, I led you through the journey of money saving. The notion of unnecessary money spending has disappeared. Now, hopefully, you won't have any more rainy days without any rainy day funds. After this presentation, I hope you understand the importance of money saving, how to save money, and how to separate your wants from your needs in order to save money. You should now be a money saving pro. So, the next time you're in the store, remember that you are saving money to fund your future self and not the you now. And hopefully, the next time it rains, you'll be prepared.